Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update today. So Dogecoin some few days ago had some really nice volume increase. Some buyers were visible, stepping in, buying the coin again. And I think that Dogecoin has a reversal pattern here that I want to talk about on the daily time frame. So if you look at the daily time frame, of course, I'm going to take one trend line and place the trend line from the start here all the way till the end right there. And the only thing you're doing right now is making this one little bit of a cup right there. Could even make a handle right over here, come down a little bit, and then finally try to go to the upside once again. So right now, this was a fake out. You can already see that Doge was really trying to break above here but couldn't. So right now all you have is this on the daily time frame. So let's look where this pattern actually takes us. Now, considering that's the top to the bottom right there, you have Dogecoin that is looking to come up here to this particular price level. So we're talking about a pump of, in the future, if it does break out, we're talking about a 21% move to the upside once again. I'm just going to bring back this logarithmic scale. So Dogecoin, I've talked about Dogecoin a lot in the, in a higher time frame, of course, and Dogecoin has been on this one. You can even say that this is accumulation going on for Dogecoin for the long term. And I think if anyone is really thinking of something to buy long term, Dogecoin is the answer. I think Dogecoin is an amazing coin for the future. And I've talked about this before that Dogecoin started all the way back here, and I'm actually looking at the weekly time frame. So very, very long accumulation going on. And you had this move up, first wave, second, third, fourth, and then you got the fifth wave, and then you went down and you're moving in a channel. And I think Doge is still one of the best coin on the chart that looks to be perfectly well organized, because it does follow technical analysis really that much. So you're looking at this moving channel to the downside right there. You break above and now you're moving sideways. Now when you do break a downtrend like this and you start to move sideways, it potentially means that this is the bottom and it's time to make another accumulation, maybe as long as this one once again. Okay, so you're looking for another big accumulation before you don't potentially start to move back up again. I do believe we're looking for an all-time high when the bull run potentially starts, maybe in next year, maybe in 2 years. It is going to take time. Again, it's perfect on the weekly. Smaller time frames don't really matter. Now, smaller time frames, speaking of that one though, the daily time frame again is something that is offering a trading opportunity. So what is it going to happen? Is this going to be a cup and handle, come down a little bit like this and then break up? That's what I'm expecting, of course. But if you do break earlier and go above like this, then that's it. Try to get that 20%. Best of luck. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.